Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ella Berries Africa. In our today's class, we are going to be learning how to cut this crop top, or would I say tank top, with a small keyhole. If this is what you like, please stay to the end and enjoy the tutorials. And also don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you. So in our today's tutorial, we are making a tank top, and for that tank top, the tools that we need our tape, our marker, our fabric. This is just leftover fabric from my store. Then we have the scissors, of course, and our ruler. So went ahead to write out the required measurement, which is just the bust, the shoulder. Are you saying it? Yeah. Length, yes. We are using a bust of 38, shoulder of 16, length of 18, and we are going to be folding our fabric. We are using a pattern paper. Sorry, we are using a pattern paper for this. We are going to be drafting the back and the back panel at once. So we folded. To fold, your pattern, you use your bust 38 divided by 4, 38 divided by 4, which is equals to 9, 9.5, 9.5. Okay, 9. So I went ahead to mark my starting line. This is my starting line, and yeah, this is my starting line, and my length is 18. I just added half inch for aiming allowance, as I'm just going to be aiming it once. So I'll go ahead to mark my armhole. My armhole is 8, so I'm going down by 1 inch, making 8.5. So I'm just going to rule that out like this. I'll roll it out. And then our shoulder is 16, but you know it's a tank top. Our shoulder is 16, so I'm going to be subtracting. After dividing, you subtract 1 from it. So 16 divided by 2 is 8, so I'm getting 7. We'll mark 7 on this point. So on this point, we are going to mark 6.5. Hope I can add that block. The other one, my hand was blocking it. So we'll join this line using our ruler, and then we'll just make our curve, our normal curve, our normal armhole curve like this. Good. So on this part, we are going down by 0.75 inch. We'll measure what we have left, which is 8. We mark the center point. On that center point here, we'll go in by 1 inch, sorry, half inch. And we'll curve it. We curve this our line here to meet this, and on this point here we'll take it into the armhole. So this is for the front armhole. For the back armhole, we are coming out by 1 inch. We go in by an extra half inch from where that front armhole ended, and then we curve it again. We curve it like this. So this is for the back front, while this is for the front back. So for our shoulder, for our neck round, we are using a neck round of 3.5. Come close. Elevated 3.5 inch, and the front neck depth of 4 inch, because we want it to go in. So we just make our normal curve. Use your hand to curve it. That round curve. Okay, I didn't curve very well, so I'm curving it out. So for the back depth, we are not going to be adding a zipper, so I'm going to go down by 2 inch so you can easily get into our neck. So use your hand to make your normal curve. So we are going to slant here where the shoulder ended in. We just go ahead and slant it into the shoulder, the neck round. Slant the shoulder. So our bust round is 38 divided by 4 is 9. I think 36 is 8. So 8 would be 9. So we have 9 inch. So we're just going to add half inch here to make it 9.5. So where we have 9.5 here, we'll come here and measure 9. We took off just 1 inch, just 1 inch here. So we are going to join that line. Sorry, we took off just half inch, not 1 inch, half inch. So with this, we are done with marking the basic pattern. So there's an opening just like a keyhole on the front panel. So we're going to go ahead and mark that from that keyhole. So here we have, you divide what you have on your shoulder into two. We have 3 inches, so we'll get the midpoint, which is half 1.5. Then on the chest line here, we're going to go up by 2 inches. Let me extend that line. I'm going to be going up by 2 inch. So from this point where we have this center point, so you just place your ruler the way you want, and then you draw a straight line to meet this line. Then we come up here. You come up here by 1 inch to make our curve. Our keyhole will come up by 1 inch. Then we'll also come out by 1 inch on that line, by half inch. Sorry, we're coming out by half inch. Then you make your curve like this. Then you come out here by 0.25. Then we'll join it on our ruler like this. And like this. So this is what we got now. So with this, we are done with drafting out our pattern. We're just going to go ahead and cut it out. Go ahead and cut it out. So we'll cut out our front neckline first, our back neckline first. Like this. So this is our pattern. And go ahead and split it out. So we are going to be using this for our front panel. So let me mark where the altercation is so that we can just do it. We use this for our front panel. And this one for our back panel. Well, let's authenticate this a bit. Went in by half inch. Now we curve in and then curve out just like this. So this is for our back panel, and this one is for our front panel. So we're going to go ahead now and split out the front panel. We start by cutting out so this is for the front panel. Front, and this is for the back. And this for the back. So guys, this is what we got. Back and front. So we are going to use this to cut and fold our fabric and cut it on our fabric. Cut. So guys, we went ahead to fold our fabric. After folding it, we now place our pattern on it. So we are going to make sure it's well placed. I also pinned it down. So I'll go ahead to use my scissors and cut it out. So guys, I have to go ahead to open up the dress, the fabric, because the keyhole is on one side. So I'll cut it off camera and come and show you guys. So guys, this is what I got after I opened it up. I cut it out first, then I opened it up to cut out the keyhole. This is what I got for the front panel, and this is my back panel. This is my back panel on open. Yes. So for the joining, we are going to go ahead to bias this keyhole. We are biasing it. After I actually cut out bias straps. Now using biasing the hole and the neckline plus the armhole. So after biasing the keyhole, we are then going to join the shoulders of the back and the front pattern, and next we'll join the sides and bias the armhole and the neckline. I'll show you what it looks like. So guys, with this we have come to today's tutorial. If this is what you like, please don't forget to subscribe, share and turn on the notification bell for more interesting videos. Bye, see you guys.